Hello everyone, welcome back to Math Jamboree. Today we have another digital SATs type of a question in the topic of percents. Let's dive into it. There are three numbers in a set. One of the numbers u is 55% less than the sum of the other two numbers. If the sum of the three numbers is 580, what is the value for u? Now these questions can be complicated, so let's mark the information we got. Three numbers, one of them is u, and then 55%, 580. Now the sum of them all is 580 of three numbers. Let's write it down. 580, u is one of them, and the other two are unknown, which means we will call them x and y. Now for these type of questions, we always find x and y first. That's where the 55% comes into the game. And 100% is one whole, right? Minus 0.55. Because 0.55 is 55%. You're allowed to use your calculator, by the way. This gives us 0.45. Now you can use that to find x and y. Open up a parentheses x plus y. Distribute that, which will give us x plus 0.45y plus x plus y equals to 580. Put all of this together. 1.45x plus 1.45y equals to 580. And then we will put them into a parentheses again. So 1.45, open up a parentheses, x plus y equals to 580. To find x plus y, right? We will divide both sides by 1.45. To cancel 1.45 out and find x plus y. So 580 divided by 1.45 is 400 actually. So x plus y equals to 400. By the way, these videos are a lot of practice. You need practice to understand these. So if you understood one video of those, of the percents, maybe next time you should screenshot one and do it by your own and then see for the answer, or continue the video later after you solved it by yourself. Now let's continue to see. The question was u, right? Not x plus y. How to find u. Now you know u plus x plus y is 580. X plus y is 400, which means we have to take away 400 from 580, which will give us 180. So u is 180. The choice A is the correct answer. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, comment down below. Thank you.